In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear window switch on this Honda Civic. This will be attached to the inside door panel. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we want to do is have the door in the open position. We're going to start removing the area that houses our window switch. To do this, I'm just using a small pocket screwdriver, and if you were looking along the edge here, I'm going to make my way all the way over towards this edge, and we should be able to gently pry this up. Now along this outboard side here, or what would be the rearward side I guess you'd say, you want to carefully start pulling it out. It has a small locating tab that tucks in and behind the armrest. Let's go ahead and turn this over so we can have a look along the inboard side. Now for this, it has a locking tab. You just want to go ahead and press that in. You can use your finger or just continue with a small pocket screwdriver if you'd like. We're just going to go ahead and press that in and pull this out of place. A quick inspection of that wiring harness. You can set that aside. Now let's get this over to the bench. Along the back side here, where we just remove our electrical connector from, you're going to find that you have 4 Phillips head screws holding this in place to its trim panel. Let's remove all 4 of those mounting screws and the window switch from the panel. A quick inspection of the hardware as we continue on, replace as necessary. Go ahead and give that a little wiggle. We'll lift it up and away. There it is, friend. All right, let's prepare to install our window switch. We're going to start by putting the panel down on the bench. We can take that window switch and we'll get it in position. We're trying to align all the mounting screw ports. Once we've done that, start in all the mounting screws and snug them up. Let's get this over to the vehicle. Just go ahead and align that electrical connector. We'll press it in, listen for a click. A light tug confirming that's secured. You don't want that falling out while you're driving down the road. As we slide this panel into position, we want to pay attention close to the armrest. This has to be properly aligned. Just going to go ahead and slide it right in behind here. Roll it down into position. Once it looks like it's aligned, press it in. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you need to do is go ahead and put the key in the on position and test the functionality. Perfect. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.